Hi, my name is Søren Weitling, and my ender gave up. What happens is that the Z-axis not moves down when it is in printing process. So I changed the stepper motor, but it didn't help. I also changed the motor drivers for the Z-axis. It didn't help. So at the end now I have changed the main board, and matter of fact it helped. So something must have been wrong with the main board. But it has been a loyal printer to me since 2017, so I will still give it a chance. The print quality is amazing on the Ender 4, and I don't want to change it right now. Maybe in a year, but not right now. So I had some wires, so it was looking like more than a spaghetti bolognese, honestly. So my plan is, even when I now have it peeled from each other, I want also to fix it with the wires and get the board really up here, the fan on, and so on. So, and clean it in the same time, so everything is up and run as it was new. So let's do that. Get the main board. I do some modification on some wires here, and then we will print a Benji boat and see how it looks like and if it works, probably. So let me start work. We are here now at the end of some of these wires, and we will go in and cut off a little bit here and there, and we have some of this put in here. My strips are not long enough, so I have to combine them. So, but in a few seconds we will be ready to cut off the rest of the stripes here, and we will also mount this here. That's a little bit better, not a lot, but it's better. So just about how happy you are with what you're doing, and you know, the print quality is absolutely the most important, and also for my thermistor, for the nozzle I had to use an old one. It was gone as well, and it was not long enough, so now I have extended a little bit with connecting some wires to this that I had from an old thermistor. So it's not even necessary all the time to buy new. You can, matter of fact, help yourself out if you keep some of the old parts, and because what was important for me is the resistance that is in this wire here for the thermistor. So let me come up here. Right. And whoopty. Well, I think I'm happy with that. I will now go and find some screws for this fan here, because it is going here and here, and that's exactly what I want. So let me find some small screws I can use here. Well, I got some screws in, and it's now about cleaning the printer a little bit with some orange cleaning, biological, no chemicals. So let me clean here. There's quite some dirt on the wheels, so it's nice to get done sometimes. And so, time to try out print the Bensy boat, and yeah, let's see what it can do. For that, I will take up the bed a little bit. I'm not sure, maybe I probably connected the axis correct. Let's see. We just do an auto home. I think we will try that before we start the print. So, prepare. No, it's not prepare. It works, so it's okay. We can start make a print. So let me go out. Let me see. I think I have. Turn the printer. Move the camera.
Oh,
So the boat looks really beautiful. I have a problem here. It is not the printer's fault. It is because my filament hang up, and I will absolutely fix that before the next print. So that was my mistake and not the ender in this case. But if I look on from the beginning here, I mean, it is amazing. You see I don't have any stringing. I have a beautiful layers here. I can see the details, the holes for the screw. I can read the text easily at the bottom. I can't see there's something here, but I think that's my eyes. It's not too good anymore. But I'm happy with the result, and I'm happy I got my ender back, as I said earlier in this video. Even if you change some parts sometimes, try to keep some of them. In this case, I needed some of this wire, and it's always good. Now I also have an extra stepper motor. I changed this one because I thought that was the one that was damaged, but it was not. So that's it. My ender is up and running again. I'm happy and smiling. So I have two printers now, my 1D9 and my Ender 4, so it covers everything I need to do. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.